Welcome to Gracie Babe channel, and here another recipe sharing to you. We needed okra. Okra is the flowering plant known for its edible seed spine, sometimes referred to as a lady's finger. It's also nutritious food with many health benefits, and it's rich in magnesium, folate, fiber, antioxidants, and also excellent source of vitamin C, even potassium and vitamin A. So here the okra torta, the recipe for the day. We only need 3 basic ingredients: the 2 eggs, the lady's finger or the okra, seasoned with salt to taste. And let's now prepare. So step 1, thinly slice the okra as shown on this video. Slice it thinly, and continue do the process for the rest of the okra.
Cut mo siya ganyan para mas maganda siya. Tortang okra.
You know what? Okra is very good in pregnant women, and also with heart health, and also with blood sugar control. Mga diabetic patient, it may even have an anti-cancer properties. So that's how good okra is to our body. Cooking okra can be simple, like torta, quick and easy to prepare, like this. Next, step 2, you have to scramble or beat the 2 native eggs, and then combine it with your thinly sliced okra.
Sa egg, kita ilagay. The egg.
Step 3 is by mixing all the ingredients, the scrambled eggs and thinly sliced okra, then season with salt to taste. And now ready for cooking. There you go. We need to preheat the 9-inch skillet before start frying without using any oil. The Saladmaster way of cooking. To test the skillet with a drop of water. When it's dancing now, that's ready. So step 4, slowly drop the mixture or the mixed okra into the preheated 9-inch skillet. Then cover it and wait until it's cooked. And there you go. Step 5, now let's split the tortang okra to evenly cook the both sides, the upside down. Look at that, so perfectly and evenly cooked. Oh, so beautiful, deliciously looking. I can't wait to taste it. I try this one. It's yummy. And then cover it again and wait until it's finally cooked both sides, the upside down. And then here we go, almost done. Look at that, so yummy, delicious looking, smell good. And now it's ready to serve with steamed rice. So excited. Look at that. That's my okra na torta or tortang okra. There you go. Oh la la. Yum yum yum. Here's my tortang okra, guys. Thank you for watching, everyone. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment, or don't forget to comment on my channel. Just stay connected. Thank you. guys.